Have you been considering relocating to Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, but have been on mainstream media and are concerned about our crime rate and a lot of the issues that have been going on downtown? Well, I decided to make this video so that I can show you what is actually going on downtown. We're on 124th Street. This is at 103rd Avenue. This area is very known for its shops, its walkability. And if you are thinking about relocating and you are a single person, you might be attracted to a neighborhood like this. Now, is the crime rate that crazy in Edmonton? Yeah, it is. There can be a lot of crimes closer to the LRT stations, downtown areas. We do have a lot of tent cities. The City Council is working on all this, but as a single person, and if you're just starting fresh and you got sick and tired of Vancouver or Toronto and the high cost of buying there, then you probably have been attracted, like many others, into the Edmonton area. So let's go through this community and the pros and the cons of relocating into Edmonton and what kind of things that you might find when you do move here, and also what kind of budget you may be looking for. So, downtown Edmonton, condominiums. If you are a single person and you are thinking about relocating, you may have had trouble saving for a down payment. There are condominiums in downtown that are as low as $120,000 or even as low as $60,000. What do you get for that? Well, sometimes you get what you pay for. A lot of those condos were redone in 2007 when we really had our real estate boom. They were old buildings that were apartments that were flipped over into condos, and roofs weren't done, boilers weren't done, lots of special assessments, and they are very investor heavy, so that would mean that there's a ton of renters in them. So is a $60,000 condo that great of a deal? Prices more than likely will go up. A lot of those condos were selling sometimes in excess of $200,000 in 2007. Then we had the oil crash and things changed. So near 124th Street, there are buildings like this. They're a little bit closer to 118th Avenue. They're typically walk-ups. They wouldn't include underground parking, but they are good investments or places that you may want to consider depending on what your risk propensity is. However, what I would probably suggest is that you increase your budget slightly. Up to around $250,000, you can get a downtown condo, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, so the resaleability is very good. They usually have underground parking, and in-suite laundry is definitely a must. So things that you're gonna look for when you are relocating from other places are shops, where the jobs are. A lot of times Edmonton does have a lot of jobs downtown, especially government jobs near Government Place. And if you have a little bit more that you can put into savings or towards property, I really highly suggest moving into the housing market. 1950 post-war bungalow, you can get those as low as starting around $250,000 in Alberta Avenue area. The neighborhood is, again, touch and go, so you have to be careful where you are buying there. But if you increase your budget up to about $450,000, you can buy in the area near the university, which is great for single people. So we're talking about Ritchie, Hazeldean, where there's microbreweries. You're kind of close to White Avenue, where there's a lot of shops and nightlife, but you are still within walking distance. So if you're interested in coming into the Edmonton area, this area, it's called Westmount on 124th Street, is a great little area. So my name is Stanko, and if you are relocating from out of province or you're just deciding that you want to buy your first investment, I'd love to be your realtor of choice. I'm with RE/MAX Real Estate, and I've been a realtor for 17 years. Thanks for joining. Stanko with RE/MAX.